Hello and welcome students. Welcome to GRS Technical. So in today's video, I'm going to start a new chapter of English Vistas class 12th, which is on the face of it. This chapter is very much important for your pre-boards examination as well in your boards examination. So students, please watch this video till last, and if you do like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it to your friends. So students, without wasting our time, let's start the video. So students, firstly I'm going to introduce you with this chapter, make you familiar with this chapter, and afterwards I'll explain you this chapter in detail. So let's start with it. So it begins with here. On the face of its summary, this is a play. Moreover, it is about the friendship between a young boy Derry and an old man. What is this story is about? About a friendship between a young boy Derry and an old man, Mr. Lamb. Because of this facial scar, he is very upset and feels that people do not want to associate with him. So to hide from people, he gets into the old man's garden but panics when he meets him. Mr. Lamb put him at ease and advise him to accept life as it comes. Further, he has a more cheerful and optimistic approach to life. Also, he conveys Derry to live life to the fullest and avoid bitterness. Means when he met that old man, he feels like a little bit panic about his facial look, about how he looks. But the old man, Mr. Lamb, always advised that boy to be cheerful, optimistic and positive in the life and live life very happily and fully and avoid the negative energies. He further advises him to accept life as it is. However, Derry was moved by Mr. Lamb's attitude and spirit. Besides, when Derry tries to come out of his shell, he met a great loss of only one person who make friends with him. Now, the already introduction is given to you all. Hope you all have understood what the story is about the facial expression, how we have to accept ourselves. Okay, now I'm going to start this chapter in detail. I'm going to explain you in detail. So the story start with it. The story start with a teenage boy Derry who enters a garden. Due to an accident, when acid befell to his face and got burned on one side, he was afraid of facing people. That's why he has gone there to hide, because other people tease him to having such a face. Upon entering the garden, he finds someone already present there. Hence, he tries to leave, but the old man, Mr. Lamb, owns of the garden and stops him. Not arriving without permission, Derry feels guilty. However, Mr. Lamb welcomes him in his garden and tells him not to leave just because of his presence. People don't like his face, that's what Derry thinks, and that's why he wants to leave. Means Derry thinks that his half of his face was completely burned in an accident and half of his face was normal, and due to that Derry he's having insecureness in himself, that how he can face the world, how he can show his face to the world. He was feeling little bit bad in himself, that how he can face to the world. But that old man, Mr. Lamb, always make the positive vibes in Derry's life, that your face doesn't says anything, your character is the main thing. Now after that they start have a conversation that how no one like Derry and how he hates people behaving like with him. Also Mr. Lamb attempts to console him. Mr. Lamb states to him that he has a tin leg and how kids make fun of him, yet he enjoys his life to the fullest. Their conversation went on and revealed various things about Derry's fear. Means when Mr. Lamb and Derry's both were talking to each other, many of the things got revealed to each other. How? By conversation with each other, they get opened up. Means they get frank. hatred and depression about being in such a condition. Also, Mr. Lab keeps on telling him to think about the positive thing, because Derry was little bit insecure in himself that how he can face the world. He was in depression, he was in hatred. But Mr. Lab always give the positive vibes to Derry and says that always take faith in yourself and always be positive. Before long, they became friends, and Mr. Lamb asked Derry to assist him in plucking the crab apples of his garden. Derry stated to him that he had come too far from his home and hadn't told anything about this to his mother. So Mr. Lab asked him to take permission from his mother. But Derry find it difficult, and this leads to a small argument between both of them. Means when Derry says to Mr. Lab that he has come very far away from his home, and he has not said anything about that he is going out of the home. So Mr. Lab said that go and ask you take a permission to your mother. But Derry find it difficult, and this leads to a small argument between both of them. Eventually, Derry agrees and tells Mr. Lab that he would come back after asking the permission from his mother. However, his mother does not want him to go, but he came back to fulfill his promise. Now, in the meantime, Mr. Lab climbs a ladder on his own to pluck the crab apples, as he was sure that Derry wouldn't return. Moreover, because of his disability, it was difficult for him to climb. So he slips from the ladder and dies. On the other hand, Derry returns to the garden to help him, but on entering the garden, he sees him lying on the floor. Further, he attempts to move him, but didn't get any response from him. In the end, he come to know that he is dead and starts crying. Means Derry and Mr. Lab become a good friend, and when Derry goes to his home, and after returning it, he has seen that that old man, Mr. Lamb, dies because he climbed at the ladder on his to pluck the crab apples, and he was sure at that time that Derry would not be returned. But when the Derry get back and he has seen that old man has already died, he felt very bad and started crying. Now here the story is completed, students. Now we are going to read conclusion of this story on the face of it. The conclusion is also very important for your boards examination, and in every year, I think every year 5 marks question are there, that what you have learned from this chapter. So it may be asked to you on the face of it what you have learned. What is the conclusion on the face of it? So you must write it that on the face of its summary, the writer wants to say that we should not feel ashamed on our appearance. Also, we should be positive and optimistic about ourselves. Okay, means we must having that positive vibes in ourselves. We must be confident. We must not feel ashamed of our appearance. However do we look our best. That's the positive vibes. So you have that patience, have that positivity in yourself. So this was the lesson, this was the moral of the story, and hope that you have already got the point what the story wants to tell you. So students, hope you all like this video, and if you do like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it to your friends. And one thing more, the writing section and the literature portion has already uploaded to our channel. If you need the help in the writing section, such as notice writing, letter to the editor, bio data, or anything report writing, videos are already uploaded to you. And if you want to see all that videos, I can give you the link in the description box. You can check out from that. So thanks for watching this video, and Jai Hind, Vande Matram.